Hi, my name is Lori Bradford, and I'm here with my good friend, Dr. Stephanie McCulix, and we are going to be talking about Plexus Restore. So I am a person that tries to be very clean, very healthy, don't allow myself to be exposed to what I would consider chemicals. But the other day, so I'm going to ask Dr. Stephanie this question. I think you guys should hear about this. The other day I was at the gym, and working out at the gym, you would think that that's like a healthy thing to do, right? Guy gets on the stairs next to me. He smells like cologne so badly. And my first thought is obesogens and endocrine disruptors, okay?
Run away.
Yeah, and I'm thinking, great. I'm here working out, and this is going to negatively affect my efforts. Okay, and these are the things that people do not think about. You have to think about it when you think about cleaning supplies. You have to think about it when you think about your gardener and the Roundup that he sprays on the grass, and you walking through that to get to your car, going to the park with your kids, and the exposure that you have, getting a cup of coffee in a disposable cup, and all the chemicals that line that cup that are leaching into that hot beverage that you are drinking. All of that is chemical exposure that disrupts your metabolic health and affects the way your body processes hormones, because an obesogen and an endocrine disruptor actually goes in and pretends it is a hormone. Your body thinks it's a hormone coming from you, telling it to do a certain thing, and one of those things is store fat. So can you please tell us how Restore is going to help with that?
Yeah, absolutely. And as you were talking about those toxins too, I was even thinking of the day where we had the pajamas for our kids that had fire retardants in them. And a lot of the chemicals in all of these things have been linked to infertility, to polycystic ovarian syndrome, to increased risk of cancers and metabolic disruption. So, we're not trying to scare everybody into thinking that they need to live in a bubble, but we are trying to get the point across that you need Restore. So, yes. And how it helps. So it has 3 different proprietary blends. One of the blends is very liver supportive. So it's a spinach concentrate blend along with aloe and spirulina. And so these things all really help optimize our liver functioning. It provides a lot of antioxidants because when these toxins come in, they create substances called free radicals, and free radicals basically just damage your cells. So it helps with that cleanup and that neutralizing of all of those free radicals. And then it has a blend that's just a digestive blend, so that we tolerate this. And this is a nice soothing drink that doesn't give us a tummy ache or any kind of disruptions there. And then there's the weight control blend as well that has things like the berberine and the yeast hydrolysate that have a direct positive impact on our GLP-1 levels and regulate our hunger and appetite and all of that. So,
awesome.
Yeah.
So when you are exposed to those things, your liver is going to try to clear them out. And how well your liver is functioning and supported is how quickly you're going to get that bad stuff and that chemical exposure out of your body. And so this is an amazing product to add to your life. Very needed and very in line with everybody's goals, because the liver is important for every single goal, weight loss or not, including hormonal balance, including sleep, including everything.
This product also naturally increases our glutathione too, which is a major antioxidant in the body that's very liver supportive. So basically, you're losing the fat and you lose the toxins as a byproduct, which is a great thing. It's a win-win.
A win-win.